Okay, down in Devon, I've got permission to do this field, which is next door to the football club here at fishing+metal. I've been here 2 minutes. I've just had the first signal. Came out of this hole, and it's the first coin of the day, and it's a £1 coin. Quite nice. Right, let's see what else we can find. Okay, just had another really good signal here, and it's out, and it's in the sod here a little somewhere. It's only a small one. Okay. Oh, cool, another £1 coin. Alright, 2 so far. Let's see what else we can find. Okay, another couple of steps, another really good signal. Again, it's out in the sod. Yeah, another coin. What's he gone? This one is a tuppence though. Oh no, no, maybe not. Yeah, I think it's 2p. Difficult to see, but yeah, it is 2p piece. Okay, third coin though. Let's see what else we can find. Another couple of steps and another signal. Again in the sod, bottom half. I've split it. It's in here somewhere. Yep, feels like another coin. Yep, it is. And oh, it's pretty rusted up. I think this is a penny. Yeah, I don't know. I'll take a bit of cleaning. But it looks like a new penny. Okay, coin number 4. Let's see what else there is. Really good signal here. Suspicion it might be a ring pull because it's in the top half of the sod there somewhere. Okay. Oh, wrong again. No, it's a coin and it's a 20p piece. Okay, coin number 5. Right. Check and see. Okay, 5 coins so far. Right, same hole. I'm just moving away and I got another signal right next to it. I've just put the sod back in there, so I took this small bit out, and again it's near the top, and it's here, right here. Okay, coin number 6. 5p piece. Alright, let's keep moving. Okay, another signal here. Again, it's in the sod somewhere, top of the sod. Just kind of thin, so I suspect again it's a ring pull. But oh, it's not. I can actually see it's a surface thing. Okay, another 5p piece. Great, coin number 7. Let's keep moving. Well, we've got a double signal here. I dug one out, and then as I was moving the detector over I got a signal right next to it, so I've dug that one out as well. Apparently both targets are in their respective sods, so we'll just break them up a bit, see what we can find. Here, yep, another coin, and it's another £1 coin. Okay, great, coin number 8, and hopefully in the other one here we might possibly have coin number 9. seem to get it with that. Let's try turning it over. Yeah, okay. This is. That's not a surface one anyway. Yep, another coin, and yes, another pound coin, coin number 10. Boy, we're doing good. Okay, £2 coins after that one. Let's see what else we can find. Right, another signal here. Again, it's out, it's odd. Can't do that while I'm holding the camera. I thought that was it then. Okay. What was there? Ah, it's here. Okay, 50p piece. Coin number 11. Yeah, we're doing pretty well out of this one. Okay, let's move on. Right, so here. And it is another pound coin. Yep. Okay, coin number 12. Alright, let's keep going.
It's not too shabby.